Wow, it actually flies not too bad. This is pretty amazing, actually. I'm actually astounded. It's actually flyable. That's crazy. Okay, so this $20 airplane from JJRC, I forgot the model number, I'll put it up on the screen. It's pretty simple, really tiny, a little brush motor here, pusher prop here, and then we have a electromagnetic servo in the back here, so basically it's either all left or all right, and so you make right and left turns with the controller, and you control the throttle with the left stick here, right and left turns here, and that's basically all you have is two channels. So if you want to climb, you increase the throttle. You want to come down, you decrease the throttle. Pretty simple, not a whole lot of range, but as you can see, I was able to fly it FPV. It was not my intention to put an FPV system on here at the beginning, but you can see I put a big battery in front here, and originally it came with this little tiny battery. You can see here that it's this battery's much larger, and the reason I switched the battery is that the center of gravity of this plane with the stock battery and no FPV camera is super tail heavy. Anyway, let me just show you what happened. What's it doing? Okay, so it's way unbalanced. I need more nose weight. So I realized that the weight of this battery was not enough to fly the plane. It was pretty much unflyable, and so I added extra weights here. Added a quarter and a penny. Probably can add a lot more weight. In fact, I did. And after I added the stock battery and a quarter and a penny, it flew pretty well, and even in some windy conditions, even though it clearly states on the product page this is for indoor flights only. Yeah, it'll fly in some amount of wind. Doesn't fly great, but you can fly it outdoors in calm conditions. And here is the footage of it flying with a little bit more nose weight. Alright, now a quarter and a penny inside the nose. Oh my god, it's flying now. That's hilarious. Wow, it actually flies not too bad. This is pretty amazing, actually. I'm actually astounded. It's actually flyable. That's crazy. I should put an FPV camera up there now.
Yeah, and then you can take up
extra weight. Yeah. Oh my god, that's amazing. Actually, I need more weight. You can see it nosing up. I think it's still tail heavy. I don't want to put it on the roof here. Go back out, further away. And my battery's dead. I'm at full throttle here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Nice. Alright, so it flies in a fair amount of wind, and I put a penny and a quarter in the nose for extra weight, so I could probably put an FPV camera in this and fly. It's actually flyable even in some wind. So basically we realized that it was still pretty much tail heavy, so at that point I decided to go ahead and put an FPV camera on here, and I just wired it up like this. Basically just cut little spots here on the wire and soldered up a negative and positive to the battery lead, so I can plug in the battery here. And then so this amount of weight here is actually quite a bit, so let me just show you. You can probably play around with this and add even more weight. Of course, you pretty much have to fly full throttle, but this battery here is coming in at about 13 grams. The FPV camera is about 2.5 grams, and then the weight that I was flying it with the stock battery and a quarter and a penny is about 13.7 grams. So you could probably add even a little bit more. You'll see that in the FPV footage that it's kind of nosing up a little bit when I'm at full throttle. So yeah, you might want to even increase the weight a little bit more. But yeah, I was pretty surprised. This actually works like this. You can just stick the battery in here like this. This is just it's a really old battery. Actually, this is not a very good battery at all. It's a 500 milliamp hour 1S from some old brushed micro quad from like 2 or 3 years ago. But you get an idea of how much weight that weighs. You can stick the battery in there, add a little FPV camera, and it actually works. So yeah, basically you just have to guide it left and right and then use the throttle to climb and descend. And nice little cheap FPV toy, about 20 bucks for the plane, and you can probably find these cameras for like 10 bucks or something like that. I'll put links to all this stuff down in the description. Anyway, here's the FPV flights. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this little mod and the toy here, and would you actually buy this and do this mod.